in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make shapes 3D on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your PowerPoint presentation, and then you want to select the Home tab up at the top. Select whatever shape you want to go about adjusting the 3D status for, and then select Shape Effects over here on the right. You can select 3D, and you can select various options here about the perspective you want for 3D, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.